Do you find it hard to see buttons on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can make them easier to recognize by highlighting them. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Under the Colors and Clarity section, enable or disable highlight button. When this option is turned on, your phone will highlight button text to make it more visible. This is useful if you want clearer button when navigating through app and menus. And that's how you make buttons easier to see using highlight button on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.